The UK Atomic Energy Authority intend to put fusion energy onto the grid by the 2040s. To do that will require a leap from the theory and science of fusion into the manufacture and delivery of fusion machines. The Fusion Technology Facility, or FTF, in the heart of Rotherham's Advanced Manufacturing Park will be at the forefront of that transition. Fusion promises to be a safe, low-carbon and sustainable part of the world's future energy supply. It's even described as the ultimate energy source, and it's based on the same processes that power the sun and stars. When a mix of two forms of hydrogen, deuterium and tritium, are heated to form a plasma at extreme temperatures, they fuse together to create helium and release a huge amount of energy, which can be converted into clean electricity. Our teams at the FTF specialise in a wide range of disciplines that are required to make fusion energy a reality. Some of these include manufacturing techniques and equipment qualification. They develop and mature manufacturing technologies of critical components and develop inspection technologies for controlled testing of components under the extreme conditions that are found in commercial fusion. Digital image correlation. They use an advanced diagnostic technique with digital cameras and computer vision technology. It allows them to see the deformation of a component under load in real time and provides accurate data that can be used to validate simulations. Thermal hydraulics, who use experiments and modelling to develop an understanding of component cooling and heat transfer for fusion. This includes research into novel cooling fluids and high-pressure pipework, from the small component scale through to the large plant scale. And Chimera, a one-of-a-kind materials testing facility. It uses high temperatures, high magnetic flux, and a large vacuum chamber to replicate fusion conditions. This means that materials can be rigorously tested and qualified before being introduced into the fusion energy plants of the future. Achieving fusion involves working at the forefront of science, engineering, and technology. The Advanced Manufacturing Park was chosen as the site for FTF for its geographical location, its proximity to world-leading manufacturing resources, and its proud industrial heritage. With our pioneering research, alongside links to local universities and industrial partners, UKAEA's Fusion Technology Facility puts South Yorkshire at the centre of a growing, sustainable energy economy.